Nerp. I have your walkie. It's right here.
And also it's about 2-ish. And also, if I die, just please grab the, What? Oh, if I die, can I have a little help getting back to the ship?
Just go. Yeah, you're good. Nerf. Oh boy. There's a turret right up ahead. Oh, you're good? Okay, cool. Get back here, now.
Really?
Hey, that's my air horn. You drive it.
Wait, what is that? Who's stomping? Is that a giant?
Am I
alright,
starting
let's
the
go.
ship?
Yeah,
And this'll do.
fine. Why does it sound like that?
Yeah, it's
All right.
awesome. Oh yeah, elevator music. What? Oh! Okay, now we stop touching it. Oh, Taylor, you're finally a boss.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Why does it light up when you press it a bunch?
Hi guys.
Oh.
It's just Locust.
It is so much easier to get lost in this facility.
I got a baby! Why? It's just a baby. What's wrong with the baby? No! Ah!
Here, wait. Where are we gonna go? We can go to Assurance, Vow, Offense, or March.
Vow.
All right. I don't like that interior. Look at this loot elevator thing that's next to it. It's like a loot basket. I don't know how it works. You're good inside. Maybe. It'd be cool if they implement it. Oh. Oh. Wait, where is the fire exit?
Like, a bit to the right.
Hey, bud. You on the ship?
Oh, you know.
You are? Cool, let's leave. Bring it,
Fish.
drop everything, and let's get her going. Or do you want to go to Embryon? It's only 150.
Didn't you say Embryon was the super hard one?
It's the fun one.
What do you mean
Okay,
the
let's go
fun
to the
one?
fun one then.
You can do that. That's only 150. Here, wait.
Okay, well then, let's get five walkie-talkies too, just in case some of us die, and 2 shovels.
Oh, we're gonna die. And
let's
then,
see. What else do we want?
what color do we want to be this time?
Let's see. There's bee suit and green suit. 3 things.
We are green.
Let's go.
To New Moon we go.
Let's see this overtime bonus. I don't know how much overtime bonus we got.
It's a lot, then you get a...
Nice.
Yeah, like, look.
We have 488 now. Still not enough for.
To the company building immediately to sell your scrap
Wait.
metal and other.
Why is it telling us to go to the company building? Why is it telling us to go to the company building?
Because it's broken. I thought I was gonna congratulate us for doing a good job, but now I don't like it. Eh.
All right, now we're going to Embryon.
Oh, there's a whole bunch. They're already
Oh
active.
my gosh. I forgot about that.
Oh.
Not all of them are active.
Oh, there's a giant right there.
So should we leave and land again?
Yes.
Awesome.
Hi.
Bye, guys.
Hi.
This is fun. I
Bye.
like this moon.
Okay, it is no longer. It's just foggy. Let's land. I didn't
Don't go
want to
straight
know
forward.
that.
There's a cliff there.
You know what? Foggy wasn't good either. We're screwed.
Right here. Right this way.
This is where the run ends.
Wait, is this a cliff or? Oh, there's old birds over here. Never mind, we're good. Ugh, let's go in. I call going right.
The old bird.
No.
No, yeah.
It's a spore lizard.
Oh, it's harmless. It's completely
dumb
harmless.
Kill it.
No, it's completely harmless. It doesn't do anything. Also, do you want to drop that outside?
Yeah, I'll drop that outside.
You know what? I'm actually gonna take a load back.
I'll join you.
You get the robot.
Oh, dude, you're the one with the shovel.
Yeah, but I don't like what I don't know. Apparatus, you're coming with me.
Uh-oh.
Why is there a black cloud? Uh-oh. Oh,
One of the old birds has activated.
No, I want to see more of the old bird.
they're not
Oh.
as friendly as the name sound. Do you see them all jumping towards us? All
Wait,
those
they
smoke-
can.
They can fly.
Do you see them?
Yep.
Do you see them?
Hi, he's following us. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna go to Vow because it's the only one that's not eclipsed or foggy that we can afford.
You know, I'm sending it down just so you guys call it back. Oh, I found the data chip.
What if I say something dirty in German?
I don't know. You should throw.
Like, I'll just do a fun little bounce, and I'm gonna leave some loot up here. I'm going in the fire.
Alright, I will take that loot back.
I think I'm lost.
Are you in the caves?
No.
What is that?
Sounds like a spider.
What is that? There's
Oh, and he died. Oh, good.
So yeah.
What
that's
is
it.
that?
Actually, wait, no, don't vote to leave yet.
No. No, we're
No,
voting to
don't go
leave.
back in.
We're voting to leave.
Vote to leave. Vote to leave. It's okay. Barber. The only thing on the barber is barber. I had a dream about the barber. One day he made me a wig because his scissors were too big. That's the only entry.
Interesting.
Well, what's
Anyway.
your spawn?
Are you ready to
Alright.
go?
Yeah.
walkies on
Everyone.
Booga booga.
Go, go, go on an adventure.
Sure.
What's
Oh, we spawned on the top floor.
Yeah, that happens. To the left and then right, there's something right on the floor. Something up to the corner around the left. Left. There's, I don't know.
2 sodas.
And then go back. There's something.
Soda.
And then there's something right there. In front of you. Perfect.
I think we got one of those ones where it's all just one object.
Haha. I got a red soda.
Yeah, it's just a
Go,
bunch
sorry.
of sodas.
Take your items back to the ship.
Hey,
That's
guys.
50. And that's another 50. 79.
79?
Look,
That's
we
crazy.
are
Keep getting those.
stacked.
Something in the, like, at the edge of the hall right there.
Another soda can.
Where's soda?
Soda!
Alright, do you want to go in the fire exit?
Can't.
Why not?
I think I just need to get back.
Alright, what time is it?
It's like 4.
3:50.
Yeah.
That was a good haul of a lot of soda.
Yeah.
Are you putting all of the soda?
Looks like a mini fridge. Do one of you guys feel like a soda?
Yeah, I'll have a soda.
Soda!
Soda!
And right forward. There's a hall right there. Something right in there on the floor.
Soda! A bracken just scuttled past me. I'm getting out of here.
Okay, Faz died. Maybe grab the stuff that he dropped, too, if you can. You can teleport... Oh, wait. Yeah, you can teleport the corpse in a minute. But take the stuff first. Drop. My body's already in there. Yeah, he just teleported yours.
No, don't put that on.
How many walkies do we need?
No. Don't do it. Don't put it on. Big room.
Where? Where is it?
Just in the maze.
Oh my gosh, I see it. There's so many mines. Nerf, you care to tell them you're from Spatula City?
There's just one place to go for all your spatula needs.
Spatula City! Spatula City!
Nerf, I'm going to be your guide.
Hooray!
Okay. Alright, Nerf.
Spider!
Wait, what?
Bridge down, bridge down. Oh! That's true.
Soda!
Wait.
Soda.
It's fun though.
Oh, wow. Wow.